Once the ShortPoint app is added to the site contents, it's time for the last installation step, running the installation from the dashboard. Please note that you need to have certain permissions to run the installation. If you want to install ShortPoint on one site only, you need to be the site owner. If you want to install ShortPoint on the entire site collection, you need to be the site collection admin. From the site contents, click ShortPoint SPFx Install Now. You will be redirected to the ShortPoint dashboard page. Choose the Installation option. Here you have two additional options: Install for Classic Pages and Site Collection Scope Installation. Install for Classic Pages. By default, ShortPoint will be installed for both Classic and Modern SharePoint pages. To use ShortPoint on Classic pages, you need to have scripting capabilities enabled on this site. Please check our solution article on how to do it. If you want to use ShortPoint on modern pages only, or you do not want to enable scripting capabilities on Classic sites, leave this option disabled. In this example, we will be installing ShortPoint for both Classic and Modern pages. Site Collection Scope Installation. If you added ShortPoint SPFx to the root site of the site collection, as in our case, you can install ShortPoint on all sites and subsites within this site collection, having this option enabled. We recommend using this option to save your time. Now we are ready to install ShortPoint. Click Install. Please do not leave this page until the installation finishes. After it is done, you will see the message highlighted in green confirming the successful installation.